And farmers, particularly those with small plots of land, had a horrible 2009 with poor rainfalls and drought affecting nearly a third of the country. Now, one company has been quietly changing the fortunes of many of India's rural poor with an ingenious low-cost device called the treadle.
We've travelled to the village of Matipur Maini, which is about 20 kilometers outside Moradabad and about 4 hours outside Delhi. Why? Well, because of this little device. It's changing the way farmers are taking control of their livelihoods and the weather.
The treadle is as low-tech as it gets. 4 bamboo sticks, some PVC pipes and a suction device is all that's needed to water a 1-acre farm. Dharamveer, a father of 8 from Matipur Maini in Uttar Pradesh, bought his treadle pump 2 years ago. Today, he swears by it.
इसके लगाने के बाद में तो सब फायदा ही फायदा है। फसल टाइम पे हरियाली खेती दंदनाई चली आ रही है, समझे, हरी हरी बस इसमें मौज है, इसमें फायदा काफी है। अपने नहाओ धो पशुओं को नहलाओ, अपने खेती को टाइम से पानी दो, अपना आनंद लो अपने।
And it's not just more free time. Thanks to a reliable water supply, Dharamveer now earns 25% more than he used to, and he's also not had to buy a diesel pump. Something he says costs up to 70 rupees a day. With 8 kids to support, every extra rupee in his pocket counts. Mohammed Tahir is Dharamveer's neighbor in Matipur Maini.
हमारी फसल ये खराब होती थी। इसके लगाने से हमें ये फायदा हुआ कि 18-20 हजार की तो हमें बचत होती है साल भर में। अंजन लगाना है, किसी का लाना है किराए पे तो 100 रुपए घंटा लेना है, और वो भी कहीं पानी लगा टाइम पे लग गया, ना मिला तो खत्म।
Amitabh Sadangi is the man behind the treadle. Back at his office in Delhi, he tells us more about how he started this mini revolution.
I saw most of my fellow villagers are poor because they do not have access to water. So they were just doing one crop during the rain season and migrating the rest of the year. That's a pretty miserable life. I said, if you can find out some solution to water, probably I think I can help them to overcome the poverty. I said, why can't they use the leg, 2 legs?
And the treadle was born. In 17 years, it's changed the lives and fortunes of 750,000 farmers across India. But the team at IDEI isn't stopping at just one device.
At IDEI's Innovations to Impact Centre here in the outskirts of Delhi, they're researching new technologies that cost the farmer less money and also use up a lot less water. This family nutrition kit, for instance, can water a 20 square meter vegetable patch, and it costs just 200 rupees. That's 2.5 times less than the cost of a regular drip irrigation kit.
The family nutrition kit is basically a low-cost drip irrigation device. The thin plastic tubes can either go underground or right next to each vegetable. That way, farmers don't waste water by spraying it all over the place. In places where women have to carry water from miles away, less waste means fewer trips to the well and more time caring for the family. And there's also this ingenious device that pairs a treadle with a low-cost sprinkler system. Most of these ideas come straight from the farmer and IDEI's own field staff. Then, using material scientists and agriculture experts, they turn each idea into a ready-to-market device. The company's devices have become so popular, they're now starting to get orders from abroad, including Congo and Honduras, proving that there's nothing that can stop an idea whose time has come. With video journalists Chintan Dev Puri and Sandeep Das, Pierre Mario Fitter, NewsX.